I'm going to use 10 different things to charm up a bag, and it doesn't have to be this exact bag. This is, by the way, the Louis Vuitton Papillon. The first thing and the easiest thing that you probably already have is some sort of jewelry, and I would actually recommend going for pieces with pearl. I just feel like pearls make a bit of a statement and has a heavier visual weight than, let's say, a dainty gold chain, so that it will match the visual weight of the bag a little bit better. And when you are looking for bags, make sure there's some sort of D-ring or, you know, just holes for you to hook your stuff and charms in. Look how cute! The second thing you could do is to attach a pom-pom. And you could, I think for pom-poms, I like to do it on the zipper like this. So it kind of hangs on the side, and it also makes zipping up your bag easy because you can just grab onto the pom-pom to zip up the bag. And I quite love the pink with the brown color of the bag. So we're gonna leave the pom-pom here. The third thing you can use is some sort of scarf. I have a skinny scarf here. So you could just kind of tie it in the front. Cute. Okay. Now moving on to the fourth thing you can use to jazz up a bag, and that is some sort of dedicated bag charm. Now Louis Vuitton sells these, but you can also get these from like Etsy or Amazon. This one I had from Tory Burch. These are all different kinds of lucky charms. I also think the fun of Jane Birkin-ify a bag is you really just add random stuff and pile them on top of each other to almost make the bag look really, really messy, but then also it adds a lot of personal character to the bag. So I love that. And then the next thing that you can use to jazz up a bag is if you have an AirPod case or some sort of, you know, little case like this, you can, and this one is from Tory Burch, by the way, you can also add that to the front of the bag. I know it's getting crazy, but just trust the process, because the effect we're trying to achieve here is maximalism. So the more you can pile on, the more kind of visually effective this will be. Moving on to the next thing, if you have any sort of hair clip, these are so popular this season. You can very easily just add on a hair clip. You can also actually do it on the other side so that you have like one side of personality, and then on the other side you can also add other stuff to it. So to pair with this hair clip, I actually have a couple of ribbons that's in basically the same colors. I thread it through both loops, and then I think I'm gonna do a bow in the middle. Ta-da! Oh my god, looks cute. Okay, maybe let's get rid of the hair clip for a sec. This actually looks like just a bag with a huge bow, which is really cute. And then maybe the hair clip is a bit too much. You can add it to the middle. No, you can't really. Oh, actually, yeah, this is kind of cute. The hair clip can be just added in the middle as the center of the bow. Oh, I like this. Very different vibes from the front versus the back. We're not stopping here. The next thing, if you have any phone cases with charms, you can obviously just take off your phone case charm. I just added one here. Very cute. Next is something that can feel really personal and very customized. You can make your own bag charm. This is my cinnamon roll woobo, which is really cute. And I don't know where I have this little ring from, but like if you have a keychain with like a ring, or you can buy maybe like a carabiner, and these work really well with your crocheted objects. You just attach them on, and then you can attach it to your bag. Oh, how cute! I know the, what's it called? La Boo Boo? The like really cute stuffed animal bag charms are really popular, but I actually think these are more special because you can make your own bag charm. And there's so many Wubo characters, so there's got to be one that match with your bag and, you know, speak to you. So I just really like how this, again, adds a little bit of personal touch to your bag. Then the last thing is some sort of pouch that you already have. So this is actually a pouch that I keep random things like a wired headphone in case my AirPods run out of battery, a little hand cream, like a lip balm, I don't know, band-aid, like random things. I just attached it to the Pom Pom, and yes, it looks ridiculous, but if you have a cute like small pouch, you can certainly do that. I also love that this pouch is round and the side of my bag is round, so it also kind of looks like another compartment of the bag. So here is the crazy Jane Birkin-ify bag, but hopefully you get some inspiration of things that you may already own or may want to make to jazz up your little handbag game. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite charm.